Welcome to the Elusive Frame. I'm your host Tim and I love saving time. We all do, because filmmaking and editing is a long process but it's a lot of fun. So, all you need to save time is a piece of paper, or a few. Because when I finish this video, I'll hop into my computer to edit the clips of this video, and most likely if you're not doing a long shoot from which you cut a few clips into your timeline, you'll have a lot of clips. And some clips will always look the same, because if you have a few bullet points to talk about or a few things to shoot, most likely you have clips which will just won't succeed. You'll either mumble or talk, or you'll just say something wrong, or the camera will shake too much. In the end, these clips will just be in the garbage, but they'll still be there because you're not deleting each time a clip is bad. You just keep on pressing record and keep on pushing until you have that last clip of that specific chapter that you can use. But when you open up that endless grid of tiles, the first image of each clip is the first frame, and most likely it will look the same. This video, for example, will have a lot of clips of myself in this setting, so I have no idea which clip I'm choosing and which not, which clip is the last one. I'll have to click through a few ones with some educated guesses to try and remember which one was the last one, how many takes I did, to find the correct one. So what you can do, it's a super simple trick. You can take a single piece of paper, and when you start a bullet point, a chapter, or a specific scene, you can just place it in front of your camera, press record, and then remove it. And what happens is that the clip starts with this piece of paper. Now, the other clips you can film without this piece of paper, and what happens is you have one clip with that piece of paper and a lot of other clips, and guess what? The last clip we won't have a piece of paper, but the next chapter, the first scene of the next chapter, will have a piece of paper, and then you'll know which is the last clip. But you can improve this process. You can actually, like I did for this video, write down 2 bullet points. Right now I introduced in Motivated. Right now I'm explaining, it's just a lot take and I'm on a roll. But you can also write yourself bullet points, and you're not just showing what the scene is when you look at that list of grids. You also can look at the paper yourself and motivate yourself to do something in this video. And I suggest you write what to actually do, the actions themselves. It will help you a lot in your video. So if you're actually writing on a piece of paper, by the way, just buy a small board. Don't waste all these papers. I ordered a board myself. I mean, think about ecologic and the world, and 2020 has been a bad year for the world. Make it a better place, just buy a board. So it will save you a ton of time. I actually haven't done it myself yet, but with this video I'm doing this experiment and it's gonna save me a lot of time, I bet. And this was a lot of fun to make. I've been Tim, and this is the Elusive Frame. So if you like this video, share it, press the thumbs up, it helps the algorithm, and subscribe if you like filmmaking content, and click that notification bell to be notified of new released videos. I've been Tim, and you go out there and make your editing process much better. Good luck. By the way, I was hoping to do this in a few chapters, actually 3, but I had a really long take, so I'm using this experiment right now with this by the ways. You're still here? Write down in the comments below rocks and papers. Thank you for watching. Go out there and edit.